kinds of organization I want to be part of.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are being working, patient, and responsible. I always try to focus on time. My weakness is that I can be shy at first, but I am working on improving my communication skills and becoming more confident.
What do you want to work in our company?
I want to be part of this company because it offers opportunities for growth and learning. I believe I can improve my skills here while also contributing positively to the organization.
Do you learn these abilities? Do you have any questions?
Ano question ka po?
Last ka lang.
Diba ito na picture? Thank you for your answer.
May naging punta na kayo mo.
Wala, magpupunod siya.
Ang nga rin din sa akong yes, thank you. I would like to ask what skills I should improve to become successful in this position.
Suway ko lang buo na picture. Sige na. Bukan sa taas ko.
Sige. Pero ang mangyayari sa akin.
Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, Anay. Sa Anay, kagitang sinama. Good morning ka, Anay. Good morning.
Please tell me about yourself.
Good morning. I am Victor Ethan. I am motivated and hardworking individuals who is interested in jobs and construction. I have organizing skills, basic computer knowledge, and I am willing to learn to improve my abilities. I am also responsible and can work well with me.
Why do you think you are a good fit for this job?
I believe I am fit because I am organized, data-oriented, and responsible. I can manage tasks like filing documents, assisting clients, and supporting office operations. I am also eager to learn and contribute to the company.
What do you know about our company organization?
Office administration involves organizing files, answering calls, assisting staff and clients, preparing documents, and helping ensure the office runs smoothly. It is important to be organized, professional, and efficient.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is that I am organized and hardworking. I am also always make sure my tasks are done properly and on time. My weakness is that I sometimes feel nervous at first, but I overcome it by preparing and practicing to improve my confidence.
Can you answer the question?
Wow, may isa pa oh, Taya.
Oh, sorry. Why do you want to be part of this company organization?
I want to work in a